Hey guys, here's what I think is about the worst iPad I've seen yet. I had another one that was pretty bad like this too, where it had like this bad of cracks all the way around it. And the screen like in the middle was literally sitting there, like like being held on with the LCD only. It was separated completely around here. So just taking record for next time I say I think this is the worst one I've seen. I can go back and look at this video and see how bad it actually was. I mean, there's like huge chunks missing. You've seen it before. I did that. I opened it up some more over there, but I got pictures of what this looked like before I started into it. This is as far as I've gotten. In about 45 minutes or so. It took me forever to get started on this one. It's just like complete. It's like there's just crazy breaks everywhere. Like nothing, absolutely nothing is gonna be easy about getting this one off. I think this is about as bad as she gets. Sorry for the awesome camera work. I'm filming this on a camera. I don't think they're really meant to be video cameras, but also wanted to point out what time it was too. So I haven't done anything else to the iPod. It's 1:15. That's AM.